Hey y'all, it's Carmen, and I am here with entry number 10. Oh my gosh, 10. I am so blessed and honored, and I know I keep saying it, but I truly do feel that way from the bottom of my heart. I had told y'all in the original video, I showed you the prize pack and everything that you would see. I also had let you know that I will be making some items as well. If we get to 15, and we're so close, we are number 10, 5 more to go, and I will be including a second giveaway, a second drawing for, and another prize pack. I'm not sure what that will be yet. I have a few things put aside, so I'm excited. This one, actually, number 10, comes from Leticia, and I hope I pronounced your name correctly, sweetheart. Leticia Zavala. So, I'm going to open it and see what we got. Oh, a tag flip. My dear Carmen, I feel very excited to do these things for you. I want them to be of your total pleasure. Do them with love. I send you a big hug, Leticia. Sweetheart, I am so blessed, and I love how you did this little note. I have made one tag flip, and that was for one of the swaps. And this is the first, other than the swap that I received, this is the first one that was created for me. And it was Fall and Halloween, so I can't wait to start digging in. Oh, hold on, let me double make sure I've got the package flipped over and I see information, so I want to make sure I do not share that. And here's her memory decks. Look, it's a mason jar and it's pouring out and it says delish. What a cute little idea. And she's got the little gold thread wrapped around there. How cute. Okay, let's find out a little bit. Okay, her name is Leticia Zavala. Her Instagram, I'm not going to pronounce it. I'm going to spell it. Actually, it's M. Leticia ZB. I'm going to show y'all in just a second. Facebook, I'll show you that one as well. Email, and it's not her handwriting, it's me, y'all. I told you I keep promising I'm going to wear glasses, and I need to clean them, and I hate wearing glasses. She loves painting and scrapbooking. Her dislikes are children without love. Oh, that's so sweet. Yes, I remember that you actually mentioning that. I believe it was on, it was on Sparkling Share. If I'm not, Sparkling Share, not Share. My apologies. So, yeah, children without love, that is so true. It's definitely a dislike for me as well. Her colors are pink, gold, navy, and mint. And her birthday had just passed. Happy belated birthday, sweetheart, in August. What is it with y'all and my kids? My son's birthday is at the end of August, so yeah, okay. So, I'm going to cover up her email. Let me see if I can do this with a piece of paper. This way y'all can see it. And I'm hoping I will get it in there and get it focused and y'all can see it. And y'all got it? I will leave her YouTube link in the description box below. So, y'all definitely be sure to show some support and love there. And look at this gorgeousness. Y'all. Oh, that came off. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. And she's got this little pink pom-pom trim and this eyelash trim. That is so pretty. So, so pretty. I was just gifted some of this from Miss Deborah. And I love it. And all these gorgeous ribbons. Love me some pink. Thank you, sweetheart. Look at that. I'm hoping. Let me make sure. Okay. I want to make sure I've got it in and y'all are not getting any glare. She's got some little pink jewel bling here, and I do not have any of those, so that is beautiful and definitely can use those. And then she's got this little paper. It looks like a floral pattern, and this is like a little dress and a gift box, a chandelier, a little wine glass or champagne glass, and she's popped this little purple box with a butterfly that's all shiny and sparkly, and she's got this corner rosette in the pink and gold. Is that not gorgeous? And then the back, she has got the flower print. That's so pretty. Thank you. Y'all, she's talented. Yep, I can tell that. Oh my goodness, looky here. I do not have any wooden veneers. I think... Oh, girl, thank you. We're fixing to look at some of those. Make today pretty. Oh, yes. How about that? And look, she obviously loves lavender. And I love this little tag and the little cupcake rosettes and the pearl. Love this rose. Love it. And the background has got the butterfly. Make sure I'm getting that in there and y'all could see. Oh, how sweet is that? Sweet roses. Oh my gosh. I gotta quit doing that every time. I started noticing I do that all the time. And look at this cute little owl paper clip. Oh my goodness. She's got me more goodies in here. Look at that little girl. Okay, we're going to take these out too. Make sure I get them all because we're going to go through them. And look at these cute little cactuses and the little succulent plants. And she's put little pearls and bling on them for little cheeks. That is so cute. And she's got a little heart there. I love this. How cute. And then she's got the back in several different polka dots. I love polka dots, y'all. Oh, wow. Look at this one. Look at this one. Oh, happy day. And she has layered it up. And she's got more little goodies. She's made a pocket out of every one of these. How cute and sweet is that? Oh, the llamas. I don't have any llama stickers either. I mean, if I do, I haven't found them yet. I've got a lot of stickers, but I don't think I've hauled any llamas. If I have, I've given them and gifted them away. Oh, look. And it's got the butterfly paper. She's got another purple doily under here with the pink. And, of course, she's added some gorgeous bling. She's done some more thread. It says, oh, happy day. And she put a little mini tag underneath there. Oh, gorgeous. And then the butterfly paper. I love this. Gold. I don't have gold. Y'all, I'm sorry. I get so excited. I notice my voice changes. And my husband gets on to me all the time about that. How beautiful. I do not have any, so that is such a blessing. Now we've got apples with little rhinestone and pearl cheeks. I love it. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. And this one says love. And I'm sorry, doll, it got bent a little bit. You know how rough the mail can be sometimes. And then she's got this one layered up with, it looks like a little mint striped heart on a ticket. And then she's got a little tag over here that says love. And she's got the heart and a flower. Some more little trim and thread. Is that not so cute? I love that. And then the back, oh, that's some pretty, that looks like pink hydrangeas. Love hydrangeas. And we're back to the front. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. So let's make sure we got all the goodies out so that I can share what she has gifted me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Let's put this up here and that right there. And let's see if we can get all that in frame and share. Let's see, I want to look at these. Like I said, I don't have anything like this. I take that back. This reminds me, I do have a couple of pieces of wood hearts left over from my daughter's wedding, I believe. And then we've got a little flower. Some little figures. I love those. Couple little of those. We got a baby heart there. We got a little feather. And a butterfly. And another medium-sized heart. And a beautiful little birdie. And another one. So we got 4 males and 1 female. That's cute. Oh, I love that. And this little owl paperclip. That is just too cute. I may have to share that with a friend. I don't know. I may keep it. We'll see what happens. And she's done some stamping for me. Oh my gosh. That looks like a little elf on a Pegasus unicorn because it's got a horn and wings. And it looks like a little elf. How cute is that? Am I showing y'all? That is so cute. I definitely will be using that. I've been blessed. So I'm going to be working on my colors. Look at this one. That's a little unicorn and a star. And I'm thinking that's like a little one. So look at that. And he's got a little bow tie on. How cute is that? And then this looks like another little sweet elf. It says, let's see. I love you, rain or shine, sending you sunshine. You color my world. Girl, I need those sentiments. Y'all just don't know. I'm so limited on my words. And she's so cute. I love it, and love her. I don't know who she is or where she comes from. Oops, I think I've got a little something on there. Let's see if we can get it off. I think so. Yeah, it was teeny bitty tape. But y'all would probably know if she is a brand or not. But she is cute. And I'm not sure exactly where she's going to go or how I'm going to use her. But I am definitely using her. I love her. I don't have a lot of these type pieces either. So it means the world to me that you took the time to enter my challenge. You sent some beautiful items. I love your memory decks. And I especially love all the extra goodies. And so I want to thank y'all. Y'all be sure to check her out. Show that crafty love. And again, this was number 10, and I'm so grateful and so blessed. So thank y'all very much. I hope you have a great weekend. And as always, I wish you the best.